Welcome back. Lesson 5, looping statement. So looping control structure. So the meaning of loop is some action has to be repeatedly performed until it has to be satisfy the specific condition. So in Python it offering the 4 types of loop. First thing is while loop. So while loop means the some action has to be, some group of statement has to be repeatedly performed as long as the given condition is true. So this is also said to be a entry controlled loop. So if you are hungry, you are going to eat something. So until up to which limit you are going to eat. So until you are satisfy your stomach, you are going to eat something. So this this condition is said to be the looping statement. So let me move to the terminal so that you can easily able to understand. So I am first assigning the value of a is equal to 10. So next I am giving the while condition, while a is less than 20. So up to I am giving the while condition, while is a is less than 20. So we know that after each and every condition we need to have the colon. So first of all I am going to print the value of a. So we need to know what is the value of the a. After that we are going to increment the value of a. So this is the program for while loop. So first thing is the value of a. So it will replace the value. So I am going to trace the program so that you can able to clearly understand. So at first step it will come replace the value of a. 10 is less than 20. So the condition is true. What will happen? The condition is true. What will happen means it will go inside the loop. So inside the loop it first prints the value of a. After that it will increment the value of a. So for tracing purpose I will changes the value to 13. Yeah. Next at second step again the condition has to be repeated. So now the value of a is 11. 11 is less than 13. 11 is less than 13. Yeah, 11 is less than 13. Yeah, again the condition is true. It will go inside the loop. So if the condition is true, it will go inside the loop. If the condition is false, it will terminate the looping block. It will terminate the looping block and it come back to the program, or else it terminate the program. So here again it prints the value of a is equal to 11 and increment to 12. So at third iteration again it will compare the 12 is less than 13. Yeah, the condition is true. It prints the value of a as 12 and incremented the value is equal to 13. So in fourth trace, that is in fourth iteration, what will happen is 13 is less than 13. Automatically the condition is false. So what will happen? It will terminate the program, or it will come outside the loop. It neither terminate the program, it will simply come outside the loop. So if suppose I will for example here outside the loop I had given end. So it will simply print the end statement. After the condition is false, it will come outside the looping condition, and prints the rest of the program in a block, So now we will run this program so that you can able to understand. I am saving the program. So now run. Yeah, a is equal to a plus 1. Now I am saving the program and running the program. So it will print 10, 11, 12. So in case of 13, the loop will be the false and it come outside the looping condition. So that is the use of while loop. Next looping condition is for loop. So in while loop, we will check the condition at one part and we will increment the value at another part. So in for loop, you can able to do at a single statement itself, at the single statement itself. So the syntax of for loop is, if suppose considered A is the list. So inside the list, I am having some value. So for this, I need to sum all the value present in the A. So in that case, you can use the for I in range, for I in A. So I am taking the value of I from the A. So each after the conditional statement, you need to have the colon. So after that, sum is equal to sum plus I. So we need to define the sum. So for that, sum is equal to 0. So after that, print sum. So at the end of the after completing the for loop, I am printing the value of sum. So now again I am saving the program and running the program. So it will be the 11. So 5 plus that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 is going to write to be the for loop. This is set to be the for loop. Okay. So I had taken the value of I from the A list because I had specified here itself for I in A. For I in A, I had taken the value of I from A itself. For each and every value, we are going to add it with the sum. So the initial value of sum is 0. So at the end of this, we will get as 11. We will get as the 11. Okay. So next looping statement is break. So break is nothing but if you are going to transfer, if you need to terminate the program after the specific condition exit. For example, A is equal to hello world. A is equal to hello world. Yeah. So in A is equal to hello world. Here hello dot world. If I am specifying if A, we need to iterate each of everything in A. For that, for iterating each everything in A, I am using the for loop for I in A. So I am going to take each and every letter from the A. If value of I is equal to dot, that is full stop, then the program has to be break. Then the program has to be break. That is, the break statement will simply terminate the program, or else print value of I. So I am giving simply print value of I, and now I am saying the program and running the program. For I equal to, I had given only single equal to, for I equal to, and running the program. So what you can able to clearly see that after the full stop, it will terminate the program. After full stop, it will be terminating the program. So that is the use of break. So after it come across some condition, after if come across some specified condition, we need to terminate the program. Then you will go to the break statement. So instead of terminating, I simply need to skip that condition. Then in that case, you can use the continue control structure. So continue the same program. What will happen? It will simply skip this line, that is skip the dot, and continue to the next step. So you can able to clearly see the difference. So first for break means it will completely terminate the program. In continue means it skips the particular statement. So that is the difference between the break and skip. Yeah. So while statement until a specific condition execute, the block has to be repeatedly performed. Next thing is a for statement. So for statement, we can able to iterate the each and everything present in the list or string. Using the for statement, you can able to iterate each and everything present in the list or string. Next thing is a break. If you suppose need to transfer the control, that is, if you suppose you need to terminate the program, then you can go to the break control statement. Continue. If suppose you need to skip some particular statement, then you can go for the continue. Thank you.